Hello, fellow plant lovers. Welcome back to Midtown Farmer. Have you noticed your indoor plant leaves turning yellow and felt puzzled about what could be causing it? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 common reasons that might be causing your plant's leaves to turn yellow. From water issues to nutrient deficiencies, we'll cover it all. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes. When the soil stays too wet, it can lead to root rot, which prevents plants from absorbing water and nutrients effectively, causing leaves to turn yellow. Underwatering can cause plants to dry out, leading to droopy yellow leaves as they try to conserve water. To help manage this issue, consider using a water meter to ensure you're providing just the right amount of moisture to your plants. Each plant has specific light requirements. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, turning them yellow and crispy. On the other hand, insufficient light can weaken your plants over time, leading to yellow, thin leaves as they struggle to photosynthesize. If natural light isn't adequate, try utilizing a grow light to provide your plants with the necessary spectrum and intensity they need. Nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium are vital for healthy plant growth. A deficiency in nitrogen often causes older leaves to yellow and wilt. Potassium deficiency shows up as yellow edges on leaves, while magnesium deficiency results in yellow patches between leaf veins. It can be a good investment to purchase a small soil kit for at-home soil tests. Being able to accurately pinpoint the needs of your plant will greatly help in correcting these deficiencies and maintaining plant health. Pests like spider mites, aphids, and scale insects can drain your plant of its vital juices. These pests are typically found on the undersides of leaves or at leaf joints and can cause yellow spotting and overall leaf yellowing as they damage the plant tissues. Eliminate aphids and spider mites with insecticidal soap. You can also increase the humidity level around your houseplants with a humidifier, or fill a shallow tray or bowl with pebbles and water, and put plants on top of it for added moisture, which can deter some pests. Viral infections can stealthily wreak havoc in your garden, noticeable through yellowed, mottled leaves and stunted plant growth. The best defense against these persistent threats is prevention and quick action. If you detect a virus, isolate the affected plant immediately to prevent spreading. Keep a close watch on neighboring plants as viruses spread quickly. While fungicides don't combat viruses directly, they can help control secondary infections. Sometimes, the only solution is removing the infected plant to safeguard the health of your garden. Remember, cleanliness is crucial. Regularly sanitize your tools and pots to block viral entry. Plants can be quite sensitive to temperature changes. Sudden cold drafts or excessive heat can shock plants, leading to yellow leaves. Maintain a stable environment to keep your plants thriving. For tropical plants that you're overwintering, it's also a good idea to mist them occasionally to increase the humidity, helping mimic their natural humid environment and reduce stress. Just like people, plants age and renew. Older leaves will eventually turn yellow and may drop off, making way for new growth. This is perfectly natural unless excessive yellowing occurs at a rapid pace. Repotting can be a shock to a plant's system, even when it's necessary. When you give a plant a new home, it might respond by yellowing its leaves as it adjusts to the new environment. This is a normal reaction, indicating it's settling in. The same can occur with a new plant from the nursery. It might start dropping yellow leaves once repotted. The best approach here is patience. Allow your plant some time to acclimate and establish its roots in the new soil. During this adjustment period, hold off on fertilizing. Also, if you've just brought a plant home, consider waiting about a week before repotting to give it a smoother transition to its new setting. And there you have it, 8 reasons why your indoor plants might be turning yellow. Remember, each plant is unique and may require a bit of detective work to figure out exactly what's going wrong. Whether it's adjusting your watering habits, managing light exposure, or dealing with a pesky virus, the key is to observe and adapt. Don't get discouraged. Part of the joy of gardening is learning and growing alongside your plants. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Midtown Farmer for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.
Damn.